Hi everyone, and welcome to our next video on some revision with product of prime factors. In this video we're going to be looking at some exam questions and how students can achieve best possible marks. Okay, so first question is on the screen. It says write 40 as a product of its prime factors. So every time with this you would just write your prime numbers at the top. So let's just write our first few prime numbers. So we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Okay, those are our first prime numbers. 40, what's the smallest prime number that 40 goes into? Okay, 2 is the first prime number that 40 goes into, so let's just write 2 there. 40 divided by 2 gives you 20. Okay, does 2 still go into 20? Yes, it does, and that gives us 10. Does 2 still go into 10? Yes, it does. So let's carry on. We get 5. Does 2 still go into 5? No, it doesn't. Let's move on to the next prime number, 3. Does 3 go into 5? No, it doesn't. Let's move on. 5. Does 5 go into 5? Yes, it does. And we do this all the way until we get to 1. Now, we've done all the hard work. We just need to multiply them together, and that will give us our answer. So our answer is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5, or we could write that as 2 cubed multiplied by 5, and this is our index form. Okay, so simplified form. Okay, let's have a look at another example. It says write 72 as a product of its prime factors. So again, let's write our prime numbers at the top. So we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Okay, 72, what's the smallest prime number that 72 goes into? 2. So let's just write 2 there. What's 72 divided by 2? Is 36. Does 2 still go into 36? Yes, it does. 36 divided by 2 gives you 18. Does 2 still go into 18? Yes, it does. 18 divided by 2 gives you 9. Okay, does 2 still go into 9? Unfortunately, it doesn't. What's our next prime number? 3. Does 3 go into 9? Yes, it does, giving you a remainder of 3. And then does 3 go into 3? Yes, it does, giving you a remainder of 1. And we do this all the way until we get to 1. Okay, now we've done the hard part. We just need to multiply the numbers together. So we have 2, 2, 2, 3 and 3. So our answer of prime factors is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. And sometimes it asks you to write it in a more simplified version, and that's called the index form. So how many times do we have 2? We have it 3 times, so we just write a small 3 at the top, multiplied by 3. How many times do we have 3? 2. So that's our answer, 2 cubed multiplied by 3 squared, and that's in index form. Okay, final question. It says write 98 as a product of its prime factors. So same process, let's write out our prime numbers. So we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Okay, 98, what's the smallest prime number that 98 goes into? It's 2. Okay, so 98 divided by 2 will give you 49. Now does 49 go into 3? No, it doesn't. Does it go into 5? No, it doesn't. Does it go into 7? Yes, it does. So we'll just write 7 there, and 49 divided by 7 is just 7. And then does 7 go into 7? Yes, it does, giving us a remainder of 1. And we always carry on going until we get to 1. Now we've done the hard part. Which numbers do we need to multiply? We need to do 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. So 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. Let's simplify that. So we have 2 multiplied by 7 2 times, so it's 7 squared. So 2 multiplied by 7 squared, and that's our answer in index form. Okay, and that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it, and one last thing, please subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell.